In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Larq discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Larq discount promo code. Go to this website which is called Simply Codes, and here we have a list with some promo codes that you can use to get some discounts. So if you want to get this one with a $5 discount right here, select where it says view code, and this is the promo code. You can tap right here to copy the promo code, and you can apply it on your next order so that you can get a $5 discount. Also, going back to the main search, you have this website which is called Word20, and here we have a list with other promo codes, as you can see, that we can use to get some discounts. So let's say that you want to get this one with up to 20% discount. Simply select the button where it says show code, and this is a promo code right here. So you can tap on this button to copy the promo code, and you can apply it on your next order so that you can get a 20% discount. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.